In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually source your own online arbitrage products to sell profitably on Amazon. So we could start at Rakuten.com and just find like a deal or a site or a cashback that seems good to you. We really don't have any criteria for where to start. We just want to start somewhere. So Target looks good. I will open up Target, and as you can see, I'm getting 1% cash back. I also will get another 1% on my credit card. So stuff is automatically 2% cheaper. So you could see if the site has any deals or sales or discounts going on, coupon codes, 25% off TVs, 20% off, home appliances or food appliances, whatever that is. And see if anything just catches your eye. So you could easily start on clearance, and you can scroll down clearance, see if there's anything that catches your eye. Conditioner, soap. Let's try this foaming hand soap. And you can just open up a couple of things and see where it leads you. Okay, so Scentful foaming hand soap, $1.70. So we can take this title and we will paste it in here. And we'll do the same thing with this quirky kitty toast. Amazon.com, copy and paste the title. And this is really the basics of what you're doing. You want to find something that looks good on a store site, put it into Google or Amazon rather, and try to find it. So Scentful eucalyptus. I'm not seeing like I'm finding it. So we will, for the sake of time, we will skip that. So quirky kitty, so avocado and a toast. An avocado and a toast. And I am not finding that either. Oh, that's not it. Okay, so what we'll do is, let's just type in something. So you could just put in something, okay? So again, we're just going to look for something that catches our eye. Let's try these things. Let's try these things. And we're just going to take the title, copy, go into Amazon, and paste the title. And we'll take this guy, paste the title. So scrubbing bubbles, $4.50. Two months supply. Okay, fresh gel, 6 gel stamps. Orange cover, I think it's this. So this is obviously a no-go. Okay, because it's $4 on Amazon and it's $4.50 here. So once Amazon takes their cut, and they give us our proceeds after we deduct our cost, we're not going to be making any money. So we can close that out. The Scrub Daddy Power Paste, Scrubbing Daddy Power Paste, Scrub Daddy Power Paste, 2-piece set pack. Okay, so I think each thing is, because I think each thing comes with that sponge and that sponge. So I think this is, okay, so 2, so I guess we could look at this. Is there one that is just the one deal? Scrub Daddy. Try to go back. And so you're just trying to find the product, match the product, see what you come up with. So there's that guy plus, so Power Paste plus the Scrub Mommy. So that's the same. The packaging, they're the same. This one just has 3 of them. So if we can get it for $10 at Target, 10 times 3 is 30. So this would not make us any money. If it's selling for this, 34, which is, it has very consistently been at this pink line. It's just been right there. So that listing is a no-go. Then we bring this one up, Power Paste plus Scrub Mommy. That looks the same. Okay, $9.99. And so we look here, selling for $20.85. Is that, so it's what the top of these spikes are. It's been, so here it was 20, then it drops down to like this 12, 13 bucks. Then it comes up. So it's been at this $20, $21 price point for a little bit. And then we put in our cost. And actually $9.99 times 0.98. So I'll put 9.8. Because of my cashback and the Rakuten 1% cashback. So right here, this is a product that has potential because our sell price minus our cost and our proceeds, we're getting the profit of $3.15, 32% ROI, 15% profit margin. So now we look and we see, what's the Keepa doing? It's a sales rank of 4,000, 5,000. We check 4,000, 5,600 sales rank in the 90-day. So what was the price doing down here? So right now this shows 90 days. It shows 3 months. So the price has been up at that $20 number where it is now. So we'll take that 90-day, 5,700 in health and household. It's saying it's 9,600 sales a month. It is a variation listing though, because there's these, variations down here. So let's see, 5,700 health and household, 5,700 health and household, 5,700 health and household, the rank of 5,700 because that is the 90-day average, 3,600. Okay, so 3,600 sales, and let's go into variations and we'll see how many this one particular one is selling. So it's selling 98%. It's taking up basically 100% of the listing. So I wouldn't even bother splitting it up. So one sales estimate is 9,700. The other is 3,600. You could take an average. You could go with the conservative one, or if you've sold on this listing before, you'll have the real data of how many are actually selling, how many you have sold. So the best thing to do is to just take this conservative estimate, say 3,600, and then there's 20 sellers on the listing right now. So 3,600 divided by 20 sellers plus 1, that's you, so 171 a month. So you could buy as many of these as you wanted, really. And so this listing, it's been a price high and people are still buying it, okay? So you could slip in and buy just for simplicities, to be conservative, say you buy 20 of these. Say you buy 40, okay? So you're doing $3.15 times 40 sales a month is 126. Now, $3 profit, that might not seem a lot, but when you're selling over a whole month, you sell 40 of them, you sell 1 or 2 per day for a whole month and you're making $126 profit. Okay, so you're getting your investment back plus profit, $126 profit. So say you do that across, say you find 1 or 2 items for a whole month, okay, and now you have 50 products doing that. That's $6,300 in pure profit that you could take some for yourself, you can reinvest, build your investment capital, build your inventory, and instead of 50 products, you have 100 products. And that's just compounding and compounding because you're finding another product and another product. And yeah, you will not be able to sell this forever, but you can replace that product by one of the new ones you found of the 1 or 2 you found every day. So that is how you would go about manually sourcing for online arbitrage and reselling on Amazon FBA. An important thing to keep in mind is that you look at how much the buy box and the price is actually at. Has it been consistent? And are there sellers on the listing, and what the sales rank has been doing? So to find out those 3 things, I have an awesome video for you to check out on how to use Keepa to determine price, to determine the sellers on the listing, and to determine the sales rank. And if a product is a good buy, go watch that video right here, right now. I'll see you in the next one.